Today we are going to look into top 14 questions and their answer which were asked me during my AWS data engineer interview at Top Company. Question 1. What is AWS S3? Amazon Simple Storage Service S3 is a scalable, durable, and secure object storage service provided by AWS. It's designed to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web, making it a fundamental building block of AWS's data storage services. Question number 2. What is buckets in S3? Buckets are containers for storing objects, files. Each bucket is unique within AWS globally, and data is organized into buckets with a unique name. You can configure bucket level settings for access permissions, versioning, logging, and encryption. Question number 3. What are objects? Objects are the files or data stored in S3, and each object is identified by a unique key name within a bucket. Each object can store up to 5 terabytes of data, and objects are stored as key value pairs: object key and data. Question number 4. What are storage classes in S3? S3 Standard. It is general purpose storage for frequently accessed data. S3 Intelligent Tiering. It automatically moves data between to access tiers, frequent and infrequent, based on usage patterns, optimizing costs. S3 Standard EA Infrequent Access. It is suitable for data that is less frequently accessed, but requires rapid access when needed. S3 One Zone EA. It is like standard infrequent access but stored in a single availability zone, offering lower costs with less redundancy. S3 Glacier and Glacier Deep Archive. For long-term cold storage for archiving data with lower retrieval frequency. Question number 5. What is data management and access control? Permissions. You control access using IAM policies, bucket policies, and access control lists, ACLs. These define who can access the bucket or object and what actions are allowed, e.g. read-write. Encryption. S3 supports encryption of data at rest and in transit. You can enable server-side encryption, SSE, with AWS managed or customer-managed keys, or use client-side encryption. Versioning keeps multiple versions of an object in the same bucket, which helps in protecting data from accidental deletions or overwrites. Question number 6. What is Lifecycle Policies? Lifecycle policies allow you to automate moving objects between different storage classes or delete them after a certain time. This is useful for managing data retention and reducing costs. Question number 7. What is S3 Access Points? Access points are unique network endpoints that simplify managing access to shared data for applications. Access points help manage access at scale for large data sets in a single bucket across multiple users or applications. Question number 8. What is data replication? There are two types of replication: cross-region replication (CRR) and same-region replication (SRR). Data replication automatically replicate data across different AWS regions or within the same region to improve durability and access. Question number 9. What are event notifications? S3 can send event notifications to trigger actions when objects are created, updated, or deleted. You can integrate with AWS Lambda S in S Simple Notification Service or SQS Simple Queue Service for real-time processing. Question number 10. What is data consistency? Data consistency means that any read request immediately reflects the most recent write or delete operation. S3 provides strong read after write consistency for put and delete operations for objects in the same bucket. Question number 11. What are security options are available in S3? There are multiple security options are available in S3, like FRST is encryption. S3 provides server-side and client-side encryption options. Second, access control. It is achieved using IAM policies, bucket policies, and ACLs control access. Third is AWS Key Management Service, KMS. You can use KMS to manage encryption keys for S3. Question number 12. What is query in place? So S3 provide feature to access data by using query like SQL. First is S3 Select, which allows you to retrieve a subset of data by querying an object, like a CSV or JSON, and file directly in S3, saving bandwidth and improving performance. S3 Glacier Select, which is similar to S3 Select but for archived data stored in Glacier. Question number 13. What are common use cases of S3? So there are many use cases of S3, but let's see most common one. First is backup and recovery. This ensures durable, highly available storage for data backups. Second is data lake and analytics. S3 is often used to store large data lakes, allowing for easy integration with AWS analytics services, like Amazon Redshift, Athena, and EMR. Third is static website hosting. S3 can host static websites by serving HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other static files. Fourth is big data storage. You can store unstructured data for machine learning or big data applications. Fifth is application hosting. Many applications use S3 for content storage and distribution. Question number 14. What are benefits of Amazon S3? Scalability. This allows S3 scales automatically to handle any data size and workload. Durability and availability. S3 is designed for 99,999,999,999% durability, ensuring data is safe. Security. S3 support robust access control, encryption, and compliance features. Cost effectiveness. With a pay-as-you-go pricing model, you only pay for what you use and you can reduce costs by using appropriate storage classes and lifecycle policies. Amazon S3's versatility, scalability, and cost-effective storage options make it a core component for data storage and management on AWS. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.